Hi everyone, Edit RU Cars. This is our 2011 61 registered BMW 320D. It's an e93 convertible model. Obviously it's an M Sport. It's finished in Le Mans blue with the oyster leather. It's got 66,000 miles. It's got the bi-xenon lights, the 19-inch style 313 wheels which are all unmarked. Eyeglass shadowline trim, parking sensors, Harman Kardon audio, gloss black interior trim, heated seats. Really nice spec car. Looks the business in Le Mans blue. Really good colour combo this is. We took this in part exchange off a local chap who bought a SUV off us, bought a BMW X3. This has been his pride and joy. He's kept it very well indeed. Inside is very tidy. Get a good sized boot on the e93 when the roof's up. You still get that little letterbox there when the roof's down. Inside it's got the oyster leather, which is all quite clean. 3-spoke steering wheel, folding mirrors, xenon lights with the auto wipers, professional set stereo. So no iDrive in this one, so you lose the nav, but it has retained most of the other functions. You do have Bluetooth, telephone, your radio, CD, etc., and your Harman Kardon audio just there. It's got this lovely gloss black interior trim, which is all unmarked. The cup holders are working, etc. And it has got 2 rear seats with Isofix, and they do fold down. I will just start the vehicle so you can see there are no warning lights. £19,000 miles till the next service, and the mileage is 66,457. Average MPG there, look at 43.4. It's not bad, is it? We've got cruise control down here, multi-functions on the steering wheel, turns left and right as well. There you go, multi-function. Climate control with heated seats, start stop button, your aircon, and as I mentioned, the professional radio with your AM FM features. You get your MPG computer, timed parking heater so you can have the climate on to warm the car up during winter or summer, I suppose. And also your Bluetooth telephone. So yeah, all the functionality apart from navigation that you would get in an iDrive. I'm just going to try and put the roof down. Go. As you can see there, the roof is all working as it should. If you would like to arrange to view this car and test drive it, give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in. Thanks for watching.